With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here question given is that common salt is added to precipitate. Why common salt is added to precipitate outsourced from solution during its manufacturing? So we know that soaps are sodium salt of higher fatty acids, which has formula RCOONA and has equilibrium RCOO minus plus Na plus. So when we add common salt concentration of Na plus increases at equilibrium. So this equilibrium suppressed and go in backward direction according to Le-Chatelier principle. So this method is called salting out of soap. Salting out of soap. And why we add this? When we add common salt to soap solution, this decrease the solubility of soap due to which all soap precipitate out. Due to which all salt precipitate out from solution in solid form. From solution in solid form. That is why we add common salt in manufacturing of soap. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.